यूपीएससी के अकॉर्डिंग इम्पॉर्टेंट कंटेंट पाने के लिए ईजी क्लासेस को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन भी प्रेस कर दें जिससे कि नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे।
First chapter, we will start with origin of universe and the most acceptable hypothesis is Big Bang theory. Most acceptable hypothesis I'm talking about. So we were not there. No one was there, but the most acceptable hypothesis was Big Bang theory. So we are going to have some points related with origin of universe. You know what exactly the universe is. It is given in your handout. The stars, the sun, our planet, the surrounding space. Everything which is around us is universe, part of universe. Whatever we are watching, that is also part of our universe, and whatever we can't is also part of universe, that is included as dark matter. Okay? So for the origin of universe, so many hypotheses was given, and the one hypothesis, that is Big Bang theory, is most acceptable. Big Bang theory. It was proposed in 1950s and 60s. Why it is a kind of range? Theories were proposed on particular date, but why there is a range? Because acceptance and rejection of theory was starting just after initiation of its proposal. So George Lemaitre is considered as propounder of this Big Bang theory. And to support this Big Bang theory, Edwin Hubble have given his hypothesis of redshift. So what the theory was? According to Big Bang theory, there was nothing. And whatever was there is just a kind of very tiny ball which is called as singularity, and it is in least in volume, infinite in density, and infinite in temperature. Three things you need to remember: that a tiny ball which is called as singularity, singularity have minimum volume, is it visible from behind? Infinite temperature, and infinite density. So how many of you is from science background? Tell me first. From science background, how many of you? Okay. So from arts, rest of you is from arts. There will be some term, because the topic is something related with particle physics. Are you getting this? So there will be some kind of science involved. So wherever you feel a kind of problem, please stop me. I will tell you from the bottom, from the beginning of the science, you can say. So how many of you know density? What exactly density is? No science, arts. जो ह्यूमैनिटीज के बच्चे हैं वो बताएं डेंसिटी क्या है, बताइए। ये बेसिक है, आप आर्ट्स के हैं फिर भी आपने 10th तक पढ़ा है। सो डेंसिटी इज जस्ट मास पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम। ओके, so mass per unit volume is density. every matter has some mass, okay, and it has volume. So division of mass per unit volume is called as density. Here you are having infinite density and infinite temperature in a very least volume, least possible minimum volume. Everything was just inside that. It's a kind of hypothesis. How it is possible, no one knows. But mathematically it was proved. Initially it was proved mathematically. In 1964 or somewhere, this era, it was mathematically proved. But in 2012, there was an experiment going on in CERN, you know, Large Hadron Collider experiment. How many of you have heard about that? In France, there was an experiment, Large Hadron Collider. Large Hadron Collider. And that experiment proved that Big Bang theory was very close to truth. And in this Large Hadron Collider experiment, Higgs boson were discovered. Earlier it was hypothesized. Higgs boson, the God particle. Have you heard the name God particle? It was earlier just a kind of hypothesis that God particle were there. And that God particle imparts mass to other fundamental particle and quarks were formed. I will tell you how it happened to be there. But in 2012 only, the Higgs, who proposed in 1964, he said there is a particle which is called as God particle. In fact, he never gave the name God particle. It was a book related with damn God particle. There was a story I will tell you. Higgs have discovered mathematically there is a particle which impart mass to fundamental particle, and it was originated at the time of Big Bang. He just gave it a theory and he proved it mathematically, but experimentally it was not proved till 2012. And when this Large Hadron Collider have detected that God particle, then the theory was proved, and in 2013 physics Nobel किसको मिला? हिग्स को मिला. Just imagine. Higgs have got Nobel for it. 1964 till 2012. Just see the persistent effort. He got the Nobel Prize for it. So, this section will be dealt later on. Let's have this story. So, there was a singularity which is of minimum volume, have infinite density and infinite temperature. And all of a sudden, there was an explosion, which is called as Big Bang. And within fraction of seconds, some energy which is released from the bang has been converted into matter. Energy can be converted into matter, and matter can be converted into energy. This is proved by Einstein. E is equal to mc square. You all know, I think. Okay? It's not a physics class. This is geography. Be patient, because the things used to be in your exam. So, some energy was converted into matter. और ये एनर्जी जो कन्वर्जन हुआ मैटर का, वहीं पे ये गॉड पार्टिकल बनते हैं, और ये गॉड पार्टिकल बनने के बाद जो फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल हैं जिसको आप क्वार्क कहते हो, क्या कहते हैं आप? क्वार्क्स, इनका निर्माण होता है. These quarks were formed from this energy converted into matter. So here E is equal to energy. And what about M? Mass. And what about C? Velocity of light. There is difference between speed and velocity. So velocity of light. So by this equation, the equation was not known by those particle, but their property has been depicted in this way, and energy is converting into mass. And within 3 minutes of Big Bang, first atom was formed. Yes. It was energy. It was energy. It was energy. Because at that very time, आप इंटरनेट पे जाओगे ना तो बिग बैंग का एक चित्र दिया हुआ है. उस चित्र में जहां पे विस्फोट हो रहा है, एक्सप्लोजन हो रहा है, वहां लाइट दिखाया हुआ है. टेक्निकली द फिगर इज इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज लाइट इज मेड अप ऑफ फोटॉन्स. आर यू गेटिंग? And light is made up of photons, and photons are particles, and there were no particles. So how come light will be there? So it's a kind of misinterpretation of fact. But for the purpose to show that bang is there, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने बचपन से पटाखे जलाए तो bang हुआ तो पहले light दिखी है, तो we can relate it. But truly speaking, there was no light. Because light is made up of photon, and photons are formed in the story of 3 minutes after Big Bang. Up to 3 minutes, there were quarks formation, there were electron, proton, neutron formation, and first atom formation like helium and hydrogen. Are you getting this? And expansion was going on. Initially, the speed of expansion was very high, but slowly and gradually the speed of expansion reduced. Is it happening or not? कोई भी आप पटाखा जलाओ तो इनिशियली बूम बहुत तेजी से एक्सपेंशन होता है, बट उसके बाद जो वहां धुआं है देखो धीरे धीरे फैलता है. समथिंग लाइक दैट वी कैन कोरिलेट इट. आर यू गेटिंग दिस? आगे चलें. अभी थोड़ी सी स्टोरी आपको एम्बिग्यूअस इसलिए लग रही होगी क्योंकि ये क्लियर नहीं है. इसमें कौन हीरो है कौन विलन है ये नहीं पता चल रहा. अभी क्रक्स आपके सामने आ रहा है कि बिग बैंग हो गया है और 3 मिनट के बाद एटम बन गया है. एटम बनने के पीछे कारण क्या है कि एनर्जी इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू मास. फिर मैंने आपको ये लार्ज हेड्रॉन कोलाइडर भी बता दिया, गॉड पार्टिकल भी बता दिया. अब आइए इस स्टोरी को क्लियर करते हैं. करा जाए? अच्छा, होता क्या है बच्चे, इस पूरे यूनिवर्स में 5 फील्ड हैं. 5 forces are there. कौन कौन से कोई बताएगा? Five forces are there. Gravity, electricity, electric force, magnetic force, and इधर से कोई साइंस वाले बताएं. न्यूक्लियर फोर्स, गुड. एंड लास्ट वीक इंटरैक्शंस, जिसको आप साइंस में वंडरवल फोर्स ऑफ इंटरैक्शंस पढ़ते हो. बट फॉर द टाइम बीइंग, एट द टाइम ऑफ बिग बैंग, these all 5 forces have created a field. There will be gravitational force, then there will be a field, isn't it? You know the meaning of field? कोई भी फोर्स एग्जिस्ट करता है तो उसका एक फील्ड होता है जहां तक वो एक्ट करे. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, आप हाई टेंशन लाइट जा रही हो, छू के दिखाओ, देयर विल बी फील्ड. उस आप छुओगे नहीं, नीचे ही बहुत वोल्टेज है, आपको शॉक लगेगा. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, आप जानते हो एक मैग्नेट रख दो, उसके आसपास आपने अगर लोहे के बुरादे को गिरा दिया, इट विल बी अलाइंड ऑन अकॉर्डिंग टू द, जो बल रेखाएं हैं क्या कहते हैं, लाइन ऑफ force of action, isn't it? तो इसको field कहते हैं. At that very time, 5 forces have created one field which is called as Higgs field. ठीक है? ना समझ में आए परेशान मत होना. हिग्स की ही थियरी है Higgs field. And when a particle is passing through this field, it will get mass. This field is filled of forces that constitute energy, and when the particle is passing from one place to another place, due to interaction of this Higgs field, they get mass. And the first particle was Higgs boson. And hence, it was the first particle created, Higgs boson, which have mass. Before that, there was no mass. The energy is converting in mass like this. Okay? So this particle is now called as Higgs boson, which is later termed as God particle. And when combination of these particles is going on through this field, they are getting much mass, and the quarks were formed. Quarks, इनके कई types होते हैं. Up quarks, down quarks, strange quarks, charm quarks, कई सारे types हैं, आप परेशान उसके लिए मत हो. But yes, quarks are the very fundamental particle having mass. So they are having mass after Higgs boson. And the combination of these quarks have created electron, proton, neutron. These are the fundamental particles. And these are the fundamental of fundamental particles. So quarks were formed, and quarks have mass. What is happening here? Energy is converted into mass, isn't it? The energy released at the time of Big Bang created this Higgs field, and this Higgs field is responsible for pertaining or giving or providing mass to the particle. Higgs bosons were formed. Further, these Higgs bosons combine to form quarks, and the quarks combine to form further fundamental particles like electron, proton, and neutrons. And within 3 minutes, just in 3 minutes, these things are happening. Protons having 3 quarks combine to form proton, and 3 quarks combine to form neutron. Their types are different. Are you getting? So, proton and neutron, they get trapped inside the nucleus in terms of, they are termed as nucleons. Okay? And surrounded by electrons in the orbit. And what is it? It is an atom. So are you getting this? Up till now. A bit difficult, but you need to be clear the story. Is the story clear now? कोई प्रॉब्लम हो आप पूछ सकते हैं. मैं आपका टीचर नहीं हूं, मैं आपके घर में आपके बड़े भाई होते हैं ना, है कि नहीं? तो आप पूछ सकते हैं हमसे जहां कहीं भी. और एक चीज और ध्यान रखिए, अगर आप हेजिटेट करोगे पूछने में तो प्रॉब्लम बढ़ेगी और वो सॉल्व नहीं होगी. दिस इज द लास्ट स्टेज जहां आप पूछ सकते हैं. हाँ पूछिए बेटे. वाई? द आंसर वाज अननोन. Yes. Hypothesis which is close to truth and having some kind of evidence can be considered as fact. That's why it is called as Big Bang theory, a kind of hypothesis. No one knows that why bang was there, and no one even knows that the scenario was something like that, or the earth was created within 6 days and the theory was something different. So it's a kind of, yes, so many questions are there. That's why start of universe is taking place from singularity. And the science is proving it is very close to truth. Because there are so many evidence like cosmic background explorer, like redshift, isn't it? So these are the evidence that says that yes, expansion is going on, and expansion is only possible when the things were very close to each other and it was exploded, and there was a force which is first binding all the system and also expanding all the system. So there is a problem in my mind also. When I have in my first class of Big Bang Theory, I also baffled with such problem, but there is no answer. Okay? So it should be taken like that, and so many things will come in your journey of geography, not in geography but also in development of any subject. They are vague, totally vague, and totally means बकवास आप कह सकते हो उन्हें. But ऐसे ही डेवलपमेंट हुआ. अब एंड्रियास विसेलियस का नाम सुना है आपने? एंड्रियास विसेलियस, फादर ऑफ एनाटॉमी. वो क्या करते थे? वो मुर्दों को कब्र से बाहर निकाल लाते थे और डिसेक्शन करते थे, तब जाके आज हम सर्जरी में इतना आगे बढ़ पाए. So such vague things are there, happen to be there. So outcome is there and there are some evidence, so we have to suppose that the things which is explained here is very close to truth. Are you getting? Anything else? आगे चलें. So up till now the story is there was explosion in singularity. There was nothing, whatever was the thing was just singularity having infinite mass, infinite density and very less volume. And there was explosion, and within 3 minutes, due to expansion, some energy is converted into mass, and that give rise to atoms. And the first atom was hydrogen and helium. These are the first formed atoms. Okay? तो अब क्या हुआ है? एक्सपेंशन हो गया, पूरा धुआं धुआं हो गया है मामला. चारों तरफ धुआं है. किसका? हाइड्रोजन का और हीलियम का. ठीक है. अब स्टार्स बनने वाले हैं. और स्टार्स कैसे बनेंगे? दे आर एक्सपेंडिंग एंड दे आर कंडेंसिंग ऑल्सो. एंड दिस वे, ड्यू टू कंडेंसेशन, अब यहां हाइड्रोजन वगैरह बन गया. ये मैं गॉड पार्टिकल वाली स्टोरी बता दूं क्या? अच्छा, इसका नाम गॉड पार्टिकल क्यों पड़ गया? ये भी मीडिया हाइप का चक्कर है. उस समय भी मीडिया कम थोड़े थी जैसे आज है. एट दैट वेरी टाइम a book was written by, his name was Liam Lederman, I think. Liam Lederman. He was the person who was writing a book on Big Bang theory and particle physics, and I said to you that in 1964, when Higgs have proposed something about God particle, it was just mathematically proved. No evidence was there. So this person have written a book, Damn God Particle. God with damn. It is quite. बहुत लोगों के तकलीफ पहुंची. पब्लिशर के पास गया, क्या पब्लिश कर दो? कहा नहीं करेंगे. क्यों नहीं करोगे? कहेगा आप गॉड, डैम गॉड कर रहे हो, आप एंटी गॉड हो. नहीं होगा, कुछ अच्छा नाम लिखो और बताओ वो जो पार्टिकल आप खोजे वो आया कहां से. सेम टाइप क्वेश्चन, नो आंसर. तो यार भगवान ने ही तो क्रिएट किया, तो इसको डैम गॉड की जगह आप गॉड पार्टिकल भी तो रख सकते हो. द बुक वॉज टाइटल्ड दिस बट पब्लिश्ड विद द नेम गॉड पार्टिकल. And media have created hype, this God particle. Otherwise, it was Higgs boson. Okay? So media was also playing their role. They don't have power of social media. Otherwise, the quarks have some different name.
UPSC के अकॉर्डिंग इम्पॉर्टेंट कंटेंट पाने के लिए EG क्लासेस को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन भी प्रेस कर दें जिससे कि नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे.